Let's start off on the 1 hour time frame. Mark out all my draws on liquidity. All these right here. And same thing on NASDAQ. Okay. Then we go near market open. We see how a market open, price initially opens and it goes lower. Whereas here it opens and it goes a little bit higher. We're diverging a lot, bullish, bearish SMT. Who knows what's going to happen? I'm waiting for a key liquidity sweep. We get it on this key 1 hour high. Once we sweep this liquidity on the 1 hour high, we create a huge high time frame bearish SMT off a 1 hour liquidity point. So from there, I'm waiting for the 950 macro and I'm looking to short. We have all of these amazing targets to the downside. A 5 minute time frame, the trend has to be in our direction. 5 minute, 1 minute, 15 minute has to be, towards our trend. So we have the 5 minute time frame which is bearish and does not break bearish structure the entire day. Then I like this, especially because price comes up here and this is my confluence. It is sort of this 5 minute manipulation that we get, this 5 minute manipulation move. Another confluence of mine that I had was this bearish SMT. So from there, I want to scroll down to the 1 minute time frame, wait off of this confluence, the SMT and the retrace and the manipulation leg. I need to wait for, after this happens, I want to wait for a confirmation confluence, which happens right here. This is our first inverse fair value gap. I didn't take this entry because I wanted to wait for an extra bit of confirmation so that I could put my stops, I could lower my stops to this fair value gap right here. And so once I do so, I enter right there, I lower my stops there. My break-even point goes at London low right here. And which is why so as you guys can see, I enter right there and I exit right there because my break-even point was a London low. My full take profit was all the way down at this low here. And price ended up hitting my break-even, chopping around, going a little bit higher, and then the rest of the day going all the way down, hitting all my take profit points. And yeah, the reason I entered on ES and not NQ is because ES was lower down. It's the leading index. NQ was chopping around in the morning. NQ had also broken structure to the upside the whole time. So this was faking out people to go in longs. And then what does price do? Instantly floods lower. So simple as that. Liquidity sweep, manipulation, confirmation, confluence, retrace, all that. So thank you guys for watching. This is how I thought through the markets today. This was my exact thought process, my exact reasoning about everything. Now, although we did have a bullish S&T off of this 1 hour low, it wasn't a strong enough point for me to think that price will reverse, especially since after this bullish S&T hits, this bullish S&T came first, meaning that once this comes first, price then goes up, completes the S&T here, so I can now delete this S&T, right, because it got completed, it took out these highs, and then we had a much clearer, higher time frame. Actually, no, we had similar time frame, but we had a much clearer bearish SMT and liquidity sweep. So although we had this bullish SMT and a liquidity sweep, this bearish SMT and liquidity sweep is stronger than this one because it's more clear, because it's a very high resistance high, and overall the session liquidity, everything points towards us going bearish, and there were no other targets to tick up above here. So all the liquidity is found here, which is why the market went all the way lower. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.